Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Learning Roots Official. So today we are back with another super interesting video for you, and today we will be talking about your favorite pastimes. Any guesses what it can be? Let me tell you. It is OTT platforms. Well, I'm sure that many of you, or in fact most of you, must be aware about what OTT platforms actually are, or rather on what concepts do they operate. But still, before talking about in depth about the OTT platforms, let us first understand what OTT platforms actually are. Well, OTT stands for over the top platform. अगर हम इसको simple words में समझें, any streaming service that is delivering its content through the use of internet. It is one of the great ways to stay up to date with respect to your favorite TV shows, movies and much more. Some of the very popular OTT platforms are Netflix, Amazon Prime Videos, Disney Plus Hotstar, Z5 and the list goes on. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि इतने सारे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स क्यों हैं? And what makes these OTT platforms different from each other? Let's see. Well, there are a lot many things to look at when I talk about the OTT platforms. For example, the subscription fees, the video quality, and the kind of content that they offer. Quickly, let's see and understand them one by one. So we'll start with a very popular and the application I'm sure you must be having in your mobile phone. You and me know that by the name of Netflix. Yes, Netflix. अगर हम Netflix के बारे में जाने तो ये आपको बहुत ही वाइड वैरायटी का कंटेंट, टीवी शोज और मूवीज ऑफर करता है. I am personally a big fan of the kind of wide variety of selections which they offer. Moving forward, अगर हम बात करें एक 4K वीडियोस की, तो बहुत ही लिमिटेड OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हमने देखे हैं जो आपको 4K वीडियोस ऑफरिंग्स देते हैं, और Netflix उनमें से एक है. आगे बढ़ते हैं इसके प्राइसिंग फैक्टर पे. ये सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, द सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस ऑफ Netflix इज वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल. नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर दैट इज कॉल्ड द AI, which is known as artificial intelligence. Now, what is this artificial intelligence? ये आखिर होता क्या है? I'll give you a very small example. मैंने Netflix पे एक कॉमेडी मूवी देखी है. जैसे ही वो मूवी खत्म होती है, I can see 5 to 6 more comedy movies lined up just below. That is the power of AI introduced on Netflix. हमारा अगला OTT प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे, आई एम श्योर कि इसकी भी एप्लीकेशन आपके फोन में जरूर होगी या फिर आपने इसका नाम सुना ही होगा. इट इज कॉल्ड बाय द नेम ऑफ Amazon Prime Videos. Now, just like Netflix, even Amazon Prime Videos offers you a wide variety of content in the form of movies and TV shows. Also, the subscription fees, if I talk about, it is very economical so that every individual can purchase to their plans. And if I talk about the quality of video that they offer, is kept at 1080p. हम जब भी Amazon Prime Videos का कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन बाई करते हैं, तो उसके साथ हमें Amazon के 3 और प्रोडक्ट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलते हैं, जिसके बारे में शायद हमने कभी सोचा नहीं हो. The very first product which you get, that is free subscription to their books. Second, free access to their music. And third, which is the most important feature, and I'm sure that out of 10 people, 9 people have the application stored into their mobile phones, which is known by the name of Amazon. Now, coming to the interesting part, जब हम Amazon Prime से कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करते हैं, irrespective of the cart size, cart value, आपको वो प्रोडक्ट the very next day आपके डोर स्टेप से मिलता है, and you are not charged even a single penny for the delivery fees. Now, don't you think that is one of the coolest features offered by any OTT application? And with these features, this OTT application has its own importance and has its own weightage into the market. चलिए गाइस, आगे बढ़ते हैं और बात करते हैं हमारे अगले OTT प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, जिसका नाम है Disney Plus Hotstar. डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार एक इंडियन स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे आपको सारी लेटेस्ट मूवीज, सीरीज देखने को मिलती है, और इसके अलावा कुछ क्लासिकल ओल्ड टाइम हिट्स भी आपको यहाँ पे मिलेंगे। ये एक लौता ऐसा OTT प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आपको लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कंटेंट मिलता है, चाहे वो क्रिकेट हो, चाहे वो फीफा हो, चाहे वो कबड्डी हो। जी हाँ, ये एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर OTT है, स्पोर्ट्स लवर के प्रतिनिधि है। और अगर हम बात करें इसकी सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस की, इसकी सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस गाइस बहुत ही इकोनॉमिकल है। डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार के अलावा भी अगर हम कुछ OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स के बारे में जानना चाहें तो कुछ दिलचस्प नाम होंगे सोनी लिव, Z5, MX Player, etc. etc. To know more about of them into detail, the link for the stream are given into the description box below. लेकिन दोस्तों, क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि ये OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स इतने पॉपुलर और फेमस क्यों हैं? Why are they so attractive among the users? Any guesses? Let me tell you. That is the artificial intelligence, or also known as the AI. About the AI, we have already covered in one of our OTT platforms, which was Netflix. Along with Netflix, it is also being used into Prime Videos as well. So that is the power of AI, and as of now, we are finding it on two platforms, which is OTT and the e-commerce, and you never know what is next. So guys, with this we come to an end of our today's topic and our today's video. Do let us know if you've liked this video or not, and also let us know into the comment section which OTT application you use the most.